Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've set up automation in ActiveCampaign and want to make sure they're running smoothly, I'm going to show you how to check if your automations are working as expected. So let's get into it. First, head over to the Automation tab in ActiveCampaign. You'll see a list of all your automations and their current statuses. If an automation is running, it will show as active. If it's paused or not working, it will be listed as inactive or paused. So you can select to see all the active automations or inactive automations. All right, so let's dig deeper. And I'm going to click on automation 14. And this is the one that we want to check. All right, so once you're inside, you'll be able to see the flow of contacts moving through the automation in real time. Each action will show you how many contacts are currently in that step, so you can track their progress. And if there's an issue, you can troubleshoot by editing specific actions or conditions within the automation. And yeah, that's about it. Now you know how to ensure your automations are running smoothly in ActiveCampaign. So if you're new to the platform, grab a free trial with the link in the description and start automating your marketing workflows today.